The most important measurement observed on a tree is the diameter because the number closely relates to the tree value. Tree diameter can be used to characterize stand structure and helps to estimate the weight or volume of the tree, which in turn can be used to determine value. The most common diameter measure of a standing tree is the diameter at breast height, or DBH, which is 4.5 feet above the ground line. A diameter tape is the most popular instrument for measuring DBH and is easy to use, reasonably consistent, and easy to carry. The tape is wrapped around the tree at the proper height above ground line and measurements are taken directly. Basal area is derived from the tree diameter and is defined as the cross-sectional area, usually in square feet, of a tree at breast height. This measurement is directly related to the volume and growth of forest stands. The basal area per acre is a measure of the sum of the basal area of each tree growing on that acre. Basal area per acre is a measure of stand density and is frequently used to determine how many trees to remove in a thinning operation. Tree height, often measured using clinometers or hypsometers, is another important forest measurement. The point of a tree where height is measured depends on how the measurement will be used. Total height is the distance from the ground line to the highest point on the main stem. Bole height measures ground line to the base of the live crown. Crown length is the total tree height minus bole height. Stump height is ground line to a typical point where the tree will be cut and felled. Merchantable height is the distance from the ground line to the terminal position of the economically usable portion of the tree. Combined with the average total height of dominant and codominant trees in a stand, age can be used to estimate site index, a measure of overall productivity of a forested site. An increment borer is an instrument used to extract a small cylindrical core of wood from the tree in order to calculate tree age. Samples are usually taken at breast height, so some adjustments for actual tree age must occur. Growth rings, evidence on the sample core, are used to determine the age and growth patterns of a tree. Typically, trees produce 2 growth rings per growing season. Early wood is formed in the spring and shows up as the lighter-colored, larger ring. Late wood forms in the summer or fall months and is a darker-colored, smaller ring. Site index, as a measure of actual or potential forest productivity, is used as an indicator of site quality. It can be used to estimate tree volume production and is site-specific, based on average height of dominant and codominant trees. The higher the site index, the better the tree will grow and thrive.